Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on highlights notification on Discord. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Discord app in your device, then tap on settings icon. Next, scroll until you find notifications. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of highlight notifications at the bottom. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of server. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on highlights notification on Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.